In this video, you will learn how to use the Revolve command to create solid bodies from sketches or planar faces in Fusion 360. In the Design workspace, the Revolve command adds rotational depth to your sketch profile or face on an existing body. Revolve can create new solid bodies or add and subtract material from existing solid bodies. Revolve can create complex cylindrical shapes in one step. Let's use the Revolve command to create the drive pulley for a small pump. On the toolbar, on the Solid tab, click Revolve. The Revolve dialog displays. If there is only one closed sketch profile and a line drawn with a centerline type, the profile is automatically selected as the shape to revolve, and the centerline is automatically selected as the axis to revolve around. In this example, I'll use a 360-degree rotation angle to close the shape. When you revolve a sketch profile that doesn't interact with any other geometry, the operation type is set to create a new body in the active component. If you create a line with a centerline type and more than one closed profile, the axis is automatically selected, and you must select the profiles to use. To select more than one profile, hold the Control key down while selecting additional profiles. If you create more than one profile and a regular line for an axis, select each profile shape, change the focus to axis, and then select the line to define the center of the revolution. If you want a partial revolution, drag the distance manipulator handle on the canvas, or specify a rotation angle in the dialog. Choose 2 as the revolve type to terminate a revolve on a plane or a face. You can also use the face of an existing solid as the profile and an edge as the axis. The revolve operation is added to the timeline and can be edited if your design changes. After you create the first solid, use Revolve with Join to add material, or Revolve with Cut to remove material from existing bodies. Notice you can select cylindrical shapes to define the revolve axis. Now you know how to use the basic features in the Revolve command to start creating and modifying solid bodies from your design sketches in Fusion 360. Thanks for watching.